What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. We have a fourth stimulus check update. The very first article, Forbes, you already know it's credible. You already know it's legitimate, guys. I only talk about legitimate sources. Will you get a fourth stimulus check? Here's the case supporting why, yes, in fact, you will receive a fourth stimulus check according to Forbes. That's the first article, Forbes. The second article, as you see right here, the New York Times. Democrats weigh strategy to force Biden's infrastructure plan. What does this mean? President Joe Biden's Build Back Better plan proposal could cost anywhere between $3 trillion to $4 trillion, literally almost twice the last stimulus check package. And Democrats are saying that if you're actually going to spend 2 times the amount of the last stimulus check, why not include a fourth stimulus check package in this spending bill as well? You know, if you're going to spend twice the amount of money, you know, the last one was $1.9 trillion. If this one's going to be upwards of $4 trillion, why not include another round of direct stimulus check package? Let me know in the comments right now if you're watching. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? Do you think another round of $1,400 fourth stimulus check? Well, according to this article right here, bankrates.com, they went into the numbers, looked at the statistics, guys, look at the analytics, and basically, according to the data they found in the study, over 50% of Americans said they need an additional $1,400 stimulus check to pay basic expenses. Not only that, they said most, if not all, of their third $1,400 stimulus check went towards paying debt or bills of some kind. Do you agree or disagree that a fourth stimulus check is necessary, or are you against it? Not only that, but also comment below if you used any amount of your third stimulus check, any of that $1,400 to pay off bills or expenses or any kind of debt. And if you were to receive a fourth $1,400 stimulus check, would any of that fourth $1,400 money go towards paying off bills or debt? I'm genuinely curious to know, guys. I read every single comment. We're going to get more detail on all 3 of these articles. We're going to go over them. We're going to summarize them. We're going to go more in depth. But real quick, I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know I post daily videos, 1 to 2 videos every single day, daily. And in every single video, I give away free Amazon gift card. Over 1,100 people have received free Amazon gift cards. To enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. It doesn't matter what you comment. You could literally comment an emoji if you want, but you must hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to enter a second Amazon gift card giveaway, go to my last video, how to increase your credit card limit. Go to this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment an emoji. That will enter you in a second giveaway. Let's get back to the article. According to Forbes and the New York Times, basically Democrats are proposing and talking to Biden saying, listen, if you're going to spend upwards of $3 to $4 trillion, almost if not twice the amount of money of your last third stimulus check, you should definitely include $1,400 direct fourth stimulus checks in this new spending bill, this new spending stimulus package. What do you guys agree? Do you agree or disagree? According to Forbes, impending doom, they're saying more and more people are reporting that they spent most, if not all, of their third stimulus check just paying off debt, paying off bills, basically just paying all of it to go towards debt so they don't go bankrupt. And not only that, but if we see right here, the virus drives the economy, guys. Basically, because of the virus, a lot of businesses, you know, a lot of restaurants, a lot of, you know, traveling, you know, hotel, just to name a few, guys. Some that are actually affected because of the pandemic are still hurting, and people need money to come in. You know, if they're a bartender, if they're, you know, a waiter, whatever it may be, people actually need money because they're not working at their jobs, whatever it may be. You know, they may be a flight attendant, they may be a bartender, you know, a server, whatever your actual business is. Maybe you can't make money due to the virus, and you could actually still use, you know, $1,400 fourth stimulus check. Health and economic sanctions could actually lead to a fourth stimulus check. If the cases, you know, continue to plateau or even rise despite the vaccinations, many people could actually see the economy stagnate instead of being resurging, and this could actually force people to lose more jobs, people to go on unemployment, right? People actually stop making as much money as they're making before. So again, a $1,400 direct stimulus check could actually help a lot of people, and it could actually stimulate the economy. The political angle, stimulus checks are popular. A lot of people like this, right? Democrats know this. Joe Biden knows this. Joe Biden's approval rating went up after the stimulus checks got signed. People like when they see stimulus checks. Basically, guys, the more stimulus check that actually goes into the economy, the better we'll do overall. Not only is every single person on an individual level will actually have more bills to live, more bills to pay off debt, more bills, you know, to keep them from going bankrupt, but also the businesses and the economy in the country will overall do better as well. Here's what you need to know, guys. Democrats start preparing a path for Biden's plan. What does this mean? Basically, to quickly summarize, Democrats are talking to Joe Biden and trying to convince him, listen, if you're spending twice the amount of money, please put direct $1,400 stimulus checks in this new package. And like I said earlier, guys, according to this website, according to analytics and the numbers and, you know, the study, over half of the Americans actually went on record and said they need $1,400 stimulus checks to pay off their expenses, to pay off bills, to pay off any kind of debt they have. Let me know in the comments below. Leave a comment. And like I said, enter the free giveaway. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment, even an emoji. You must hit that like and subscribe. Daily videos, daily giveaways. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.